Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Windows installer service could not be accessed. This can occur if you are running Windows in safe mode or if the Windows installer is not correctly installed in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. Go to services on the left side. In services search for MSI server service. You just need to right click on it and select start. After starting the service, you just need to right click on it and select open services. In services, you just need to search for Windows installer service. Just right click on it and select restart. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these 4 commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these 4 commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these 2 commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. You need to wait for this verification to get 100% complete. After getting complete, you just need to copy and paste the second command. And after pasting the second command, you just need to wait for the second command to get 100% complete. After that, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.